Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Two fitness centers offer membership plans. Center A charges $40 per month with no enrollment fee. Center B charges $25 per month with a $90 enrollment fee. Part A. Write linear functions f of m and g of m for centers A and B respectively, where m is the number of months. Part B. Graph both functions on the same coordinate plane. Part C. Find when both centers cost the same amount. Part D. For someone planning to use the gym for 12 months, which center is the better deal and by how much? Now, let us work through the solution step by step. Every linear function has a slope and a y-intercept. For center A, there is no enrollment fee, so the starting cost is 0 and the slope is $40 per month. For center B, the enrollment fee of $90 is the starting cost, and the slope is $25 per month. Using the slope-intercept form, the cost function for center A is f m equals 40m, and the cost function for center B is g of m equals 25m plus 90. Here are both cost functions graphed together. The first line for center A starts at the origin and rises steeply. The second line for center B starts at $90 on the vertical axis and rises more gradually. The two lines cross at month 6, where both costs equal $240. Looking at the graph, center A starts cheaper because there is no enrollment fee, but its steeper slope means costs grow faster. Center B starts at $90 but grows more slowly. Eventually, the two lines cross, and after that crossing point, center B is the better deal. To find when both centers cost the same, set f of m equal to g of m. That gives 40 mims equals 25 mims plus 90. Subtracting 25 mims from both sides gives 15 mims equals 90. Dividing by 15, we get m equals 6 months. Plugging m equals 6 into both functions. F of 6 is 40 times 6, which is $240. G of 6 is 25 times 6 plus 90, which is 150 plus 90, also $240. The answer checks out. At 6 months, both centers cost exactly $240. At 12 months, center A costs 40 times 12, which is $480. Center B costs 25 times 12 plus 90, which is 300 plus 90, equaling $390. The difference is 480 minus 390, which is $90. To summarize, the cost functions are f of m equals 40 mims for center A and g of m equals 25 meters plus 90 for center B. Both centers cost the same at 6 months, when the total is $240. For a 12-month plan, center B is the better deal, saving $90 compared to center A. Because 12 months is past the 6-month break-even point, the lower monthly rate of center B more than compensates for the enrollment fee. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.